sun get hot like so.
You're sitting with the sun hot.
We never really hot did it at first.
I love how you take your book though.
Yeah, I'm just look back over things them. So
Why Trish? I don't know how we have to manage. We don't have nothing in the house. This we did buy the other day. And me try keep back some for you and your sister.
No want that feet, mommy. Eat up full of belly.
No, me can't eat I'm not hungry.
No, you're hungry no. Just which life could have better.
God. I pray for that every day. But you just have to turn my hand behind me, make fashion. You just have to share this with your sister for now. Me will drink tea. I'm gonna share this with your sister for now when she
alright, mommy, but mother like some mother prefer the tea, must be gas.
So maybe cut some serious with this, so.
Yeah. So
yeah, right. Alright.
I wanna try.
No, nothing there. So
and no grab nothing from
no
you.
grab. That's something I did buy the other day.
Other day? So mommy not there?
No, me save it for share, for no for share.
So not there for eat?
You're blind? Where you come from? You could eat there.
I work me there look. Work. So mommy she can't go work just to see me too. I'm alone.
Listen to me and listen to me good. I don't have time to walk up and down and look no work.
Okay, where we walk.
Work will come to me. Me use phone and bookies and look work. You see like a magazine them looking at that for work. You don't need to see my book.
Okay.
You have a book?
A man don't buy a book.
Me don't even have a phone.
I like girl that tell. I work.
Alright.
You know look your work.
Done the argument. Me can't take it. Me hungry. Me feel bad. And me can't take the excitement. What I go eat? Me I go pick some cerasee and boil some tea.
Me and she say I buy crackers too.
I got to go down and have whiskey and see if we can trust some crackers.
Crackers and what?
Like you know hear me say me I go pop down some cerasee.
And give who? No mommy, me too good for that.
You too good.
No,
what you are going to eat then?
Me eat in the air.
What you are going to eat?
I mean, do not worry. Go on for the crackers and pick the bush and make some tea. We'll drink some of the tea, bust little gas. Go on and come. Go on and come.
So we are going to
just
eat?
one ginger beer and one sausage.
Mommy, do not trust no ginger beer, no sausage. Where you come from?
You know you say I work there.
When I done the argument, me I go shop. Can you hand take this?
Sure.
Hi. Hello. Alright.
Come on, tell you something, man.
Just remind me.
It's a long time we don't see you. You remember me? Look at me good, man. Look at me face.
Your face looks strange, but my head not dead. My head not dead. You have to remind me.
Must a long time I left here. Long time. My name is Toga. I usually come over here and play with the picnic them and stuff.
Sarah, son?
Yeah.
Where you stretch and grow so?
You're
grown, man.
Yeah, let me see how I come over the road.
Wow, how your mother, how everybody?
I to come over there and my mother will do some liquor. I sleep over them more time. Man.
You have to save you from beating more time. Oh God, you look good.
About a week now, I come back in that place.
Okay, so you're still living back at the old place or you moved somewhere else?
I come back, man. I know me now to get the place to move.
Yeah, man, you have to remember your roots. You have to remember your roots.
So, how is everything alright?
Yeah, man, you give thanks. But to be honest, rain or fall, but don't it up. You know them, you find a way.
No, man, the play time rough and all,
But we give thanks for life.
So, how your daughter?
Them alright. Them good. Them man. Two of them still like get trouble same way. We just go down to the shop to see if we can trust a little, you know?
No
You know
trust?
how it goes. Yeah, man.
So your daughter them live with the same man?
Yes. Them are big girls, not as big as you, but they are big girls now.
Well, she me say me want to look for still no come. Like I want Shanice. You ever the same?
Yes. So what, you did like Shanice?
Yeah, we like I could have talked to her from here.
Now the truth come out why you always over my yard and me think I'm a pot.
Always over. Tell me always over the few food to see.
Well, you're what? Me I go walk down the road. I know said the girls them will be happy to see you.
Yeah, man.
So go surprise them, man.
Me I go check out over there too, man.
I go down to the shop, got your sweet crackers and come back. We'll see you over there.
But yeah, my brother with my crackers. Let's grab some food today.
You sure?
Yeah, man, you sure? Let's grab some food today. At 15,000 of that. Let's go
So
to
much?
the supermarket. Yeah. You can't have your me usually come over here and I'm not hungry, you know?
Oh God bless you. You don't know what you do. Oh God, God bless you. All right, you have a stay for dinner here. Go down.
Me come over.
Oh God, you don't know what you do.
Just go down to
All right.
change.
Yeah, me I come. Go down. Me I go cook dinner for you. Me I
right.
come. God good.
10 minutes here.
Hi.
Remember me?
Yeah, what you got here? Big head Jamie.
Who?
Big head Jamie.
You know your dad. I took your dad to.
Toga.
Come on, Tyson.
Really? Toga, when you used to come over there?
You see one.
Oh.
That one right now.
Mommy have to rake here before my mother comes. When my mother comes, she have to rake here. I can't my mother do so much work.
Put on room and sit there now.
Really? I little Toga when you used to come over here. When you come over here, mother beat you.
Remember me?
So what, Mom?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, right. Yeah, me good.
Yeah.
I can't believe you Toga this.
I see your mother up on the road.
So you get
your
some-
mother frightened if you know say me. Frightened.
See, you see my mother?
Yeah.
Oh,
So she
so
dey go to shop and something and me give her money because she dey trust something.
How would
Oh,
this?
yes, you want to go to some.
How would this?
You know what
A Toga, you remember Toga?
Toga.
Yeah, Toga.
I think that's somebody special, girl.
I get bigger.
It's special to me.
Cause long time you want a boy.
In a long time, want him, a long time, me and him did that talk. You jealous?
Wanna go and Toga?
There, you good?
Alright. Good door. Everything.
You grew up on there.
Yes, man. So, we can't even talk now. I'm here on the business.
So,
We no business the day.
Talk.
how things?
Things is kind of worse than before, you know. No. Mommy never have no, it's not job out. Mommy never have no money, right? So she never get to pay no school fee, and the principal say me have to stop come to school unless my mother can pay the school fee for all the years that she never did a pay for.
I got 30,000 off his school fee.
And 3 years she never
And I
pay.
3 years she never pay for.
Because when you look at it, mother normally give me food and then something. So any little thing that I can help with, I go do it. Because I come back and I left school and I want a nurse.
You're a nurse?
Go to school and
One little
come
pain in
back.
my throat. I don't know what. You can tell me what happened?
When?
It feels sore.
Then the sore throat?
I mean, they drink bad water, they drink. Them water they drink a pipe no good enough.
No, I don't
So you
like
have
that.
germs in your throat.
No germs, only germs in my throat are she.
You build up back.
Me no need
That's
throat.
why your throat
But
gets
anyway, so you live back in that area now or you just come visit?
Come back down now.
So you come back in that ghetto?
But me soon gone though. I spend like a time down here with the people there.
Oh, so you alone come down here and your partner?
No, no partner.
Oh, so you don't get the baby then?
No, sir.
Oh, so you
No
have a
time for
partner?
that. I'm going to go to college, you know. College, me left go. And after I did work.
Stay in a partner.
You know, hear me I say.
Oh.
But still and still,
Sun
me
hot.
come fix me and give her little money to get run for things. I don't know if you run out or nothing or whatever. Go perfume, look at this and that, you know?
Yeah,
You see
run
me
out
give
of
her
some
money.
couple things.
So, can't have this change. Let's go down here.
So you just start, you just doctor get paid, no?
15,000. Yeah. That's
Hello.
America, me there, no? So, you take that and
Toga,
change out.
excuse me. You know if you like some more money too? Me
No
look
money,
like more
sister,
money.
we go change and she gives us
She
some money.
nah go share.
Girl, me go buy cologne, pad, roll arm, and them necessary things. A couple
Just
new
put your
jars
money in
and
your
something for you.
Put the money in.
You can buy your one
If you like some
cologne.
more, so you can give me something to put in my pocket too.
She go change it and give you something. You
What
know
she
your
give me?
sister now.
Tell
Me
me.
not giving you no money. I am buying
Okay,
your
so-
needs.
Me see one crux and me want it.
You need a Crocs?
Yes.
You need a
Me
pad
need
more than a
it.
Crocs.
Me have bully papa.
But anyways,
Stop it.
I still say she stay from before. Vulgar.
She have her money now. I lie, little girl.
Listen me.
A old man coming at this. And which man me have?
Yeah, mass just
Come on, nobody not ask me about a man. Nobody not talk about a man.
So just use that take care.
Alright, me go rake up here before mommy come. Cause me no want mommy
It's
come
so
rake
come
You
up.
come on and give her money like you see me and she come. No, I not go to your man. Backside.
I still say she stay. She not really changed, but as me I said, mama rake up here before mommy come. Cause me can't let mommy walk go shop, walk come back and fear rake up here. If I she alone, the yard no rake.
Like you stay in the audience, you know?
Yeah.
So me see you stay, probably about look more so.
I poop. You're still nasty.
Like me have look at yes.
Okay.
I really suck a bit.
You're still a very good at you, yes. Still nasty.
So you can follow me go this catch up a little bit.
Alright, come.
Try some.
I'm not too one talk to another yard. I'm coming with TT. She too no.
Best friend I ever had. He never ever fails me. He never makes me sad. Oh, you look so miserable. I mean, so happy.
Come me angry.
Oh God, you ever hungry? Let's we come back with a shopping bag. You see, are crackers in there? Or food?
My
Cook
friend.
up.
Mommy.
When I did,
Listen to mommy. You remember Black Toga?
see him.
Clean him body and give him food in here. Then give a piece of jam. He come over here today. He my sister out here talk and I come out here think of somebody special. And I know I said Toga papa out 15,000 and give the sister.
Hey, me no say, and he make this possible too. And he make this possible to my girl. Me I walk to the shop and I pre-home. Me I got
Oh,
to.
so you get money from him too?
How you think me get this?
Okay.
Remember, say trust me. I got trust biscuit from Gay Shop.
Okay. So I'm ignorant.
What do you mean? Are you in
Everybody get 15,000 and people $5 and give me it bad. So me mommy, me heart or something. You feel Shanice deserve that?
What do you mean by?
She deserve that.
What do you mean by?
Me ask her if I feel she could get the 15,000 or me.
Hold on. What you do for deserve that? Because me
I go
remember.
and look
Hold on.
for
Stick a pin. Me remember say. Toga and Shanice used to run up and down and play when you highty-tighty. And because them are running at the dirt and them are run round in the dirt and I play go-kart and thing, you two toes. So you couldn't do that. Now you vex with her because her friend come check her.
A bad condition, mommy. She shouldn't get it 15. What happened to me? Me not look good too.
So hold on. This is a
I try what he did.
lesson. This is a lesson. You treat people good on the way up. When you pass them on the way down, cause look there now. Tugger used to come to we for food and we used to look after him. And the same way so you used to froze you up with him. Pick me have memory in our memory too. Now come look, we dump on our backside and Tugger make this possible. You turn to there. You're lucky him even far upon you.
You know something I analyze. Mommy should I get money?
Oh God. Mommy.
You and me
God, I know you had me a come over here to go.
Hold on, before you're going to the house, I want to talk to you.
No.
Tugga did come here today?
Yeah, and come look for me and see up on the road.
Mm-hmm.
Me and him did go down a little shop, go sit down a little bit.
And him give you money?
Yeah, and give me money for buy some, instead of buy powder and perfume and roll on for me and my sister.
The two of them, my daughter, you know. But TT, you have to watch your back with her, you know. She says some things me not like. Him never give her no money.
No, mommy, give me $100 US and some for buy things then for me and her. If money leave, we can split it up.
So hold on, him actually say for you, the money is for you and her?
Yeah. What she tell us say?
Me not know where she get her mindset from. But she become like say she take her father's side of thinking. Watch your back with her. And your sister and my daughter. Watch your back with her.
Here? No, man.
She jealous.
That would have to do with me, mommy.
Are you shut up?
So what you want me to do? I'm telling Tugga. So what you want me to tell Tugga? Say, don't give my sister because she's bad.
And that me I say, me just tell you for watch your back. Mind your pee and your cues. You see people face, you know, see them heart. And TT start to show her heart, I mean I like it, so me I warn you.
You don't worry about she can't do me nothing later. I go freshen up and thing. You cook because you saying give money for buy things for cook.
Yes.
So you eat.
Christmas come, me girl, go look. Yes, baby.
Alright, me go bed and then
go look at the kitchen first.
Alright, mommy.
Me get your favorites. Hey.
Yeah. No, me out the door. But I really like that's not a long time. I really eat ice cream. Yeah, them the years, not us.
So what you want to talk to?
What problem?
Who you talking to?
Me I talk to Tugga, what problem? Give me a minute, that's about before call her back. Alright.
You exchange number already?
What problem? You're jealous?
Me not jealous.
So what problem?
So me can have a man on phone me too.
Come on. What you want a man for? Tell me.
What you want a man
Me
for?
not want a man and me not have no man. Me
So
and
what
Tugga
you
is not
talk
dating.
to Tugga for?
You want Tugga?
Let me get it.
Yeah! For do what?
Oh, you want Tugga and you got money?
That with you know, you want a man for money. Why you not go look at work?
Every day I go on the road I work, me looking up.
Me not think I work here look, mama. So like a man you look.
If me look, me get man long time.
So why the one man that talk to me is a problem to you?
Cause you're not suitable for him,
But you're not suitable either. Look on your head.
I mean, I watch when the 40-inch bus don't come.
What the argument
You see
for?
same
And
thing.
the sub
You want
teeth.
5-inch bus. You don't even say when you get money you buy a better stove. You see? You think about yourself. Me think about for we.
Hi.
Oh you gonna get Tugga?
So,
How you gonna get him? Oh you not have him yet?
A man will not argue a stick a pin. A man will not argue over a Tugga. Will not argue over.
No, man.
every
She
time you
gonna
come stick
argue.
a sticky pin for she don't want me get no man. He
So
want
what
to
you
follow
a
this,
each
he
man
said,
for?
How much he have so can't take so much man.
What you a each man for?
Me
She
not
tell you
each
say
man.
she tell you say she and Tugga there. Them a childhood. Them
Then they
share
both wanna talk.
them share the same cart together.
Me and
Them
share
a
the
run
same
together.
together.
Clap that. Here, clock it.
Man, I know where this attitude come from, little girl, but if you change it, me not like
I'm find out from the
it.
other day you have side. I feel like when you come in with belly, you not say no.
I hope when you
When me come in with me belly, a US a man me pick me. That's why me man have US.
Woman a power and a man. Remember that.
But you not a man.
Me not a man. Don't make that fool.
done the argument over man.
So what you want,
Cause
Tugga?
you not forget no man.
Oh no, a sister man. You go east and you say yes. You go east.
But
But
then
no,
you say we
sister
are
and you argue over man.
I feel like say I want the man to you can go about my business.
Girl, don't rank with me. You pass your place and forget who me be.
Mommy, this Tugga did ask about you and did I ask you for eat already or something? Telling me yes.
Bless him.
Yes, I hear me did that talk to and she come here and interrupt me.
And that me I tell you, you know, and you take my words lightly. Me not like certain things she come from. Yes, I love her, but me not like certain things. Me not like her ways. Watch your back.
Mommy, she cannot do me nothing. Alright. Come, we are going. Go look for breakfast.
Just think
Now
about
tell
it.
she. Anyway, she go, she name there.
Oh boy.
You remember man your name Toga? Final school.
Oh, talk about your piece bed. I put with your sister. I want to
You
him.
say what day we see my job. You come back and just come in the area.
Oh, me him
We
broke
cannot
self.
that. And you see him all Toga, you know?
I want you talk.
Different Toga we have money.
Oh,
Me not talk
man.
about Jamaican money, no, me talk about US dollars.
Rich and now, fully rich out.
Rich
Me have a
out.
film still, because a long time my piece bed.
You don't know say in comparison give mommy 15,000. And then what day I give sister 15,000. Something wrong with me?
No? It does
Him
not
and my
man.
sister in a teens.
Oh, a good something that then, girl.
I no good sitting.
A long time them a talk. From they smile so to up yesterday them a talk. So why you bad man your sister?
I no bad man my sister, but me look better than her. Me up there, she down there, so me are the perfect match for Toga.
The only difference between the two one is that one short and mad and one and you know you're just tall and innocent.
Give me a finish should not do that.
Tell the truth. Girl, me and your friends, I'm tell you the truth. The truth is that you're not different from your
Truth is
sister.
what the man. She should
Well,
not have him.
You're bad man, and the reason I say that is because your sister and him there, from them a piece bed together till he get big now and
No,
have
that
the
was
money.
a Dolly House thing.
Well,
Never real.
you bad man.
That's what you have to tell me.
I only advise me to tell you say is don't analyze yourself over the man. Don't go crazy over the man. Just yeah, idiot.
We are not fool. We are not fool.
Yeah, what then?
I just
You go analyze your sister. Hello.
man have money.
No,
and money
and I
at
think and that trick, you know. Sometimes they come for fire and they have one little 100,000 US and no money that 2,000 that done.
Alright, why
Let me tell you, the best advice I can give to you is that
I think she body big making there with her and mine just a grow.
and I think together they with nobody for them batty are the least. Me think the best advice me can give is just talk to the man. Yes, none of that. Just talk to him and see if he genuinely like you. And if you know you do not want the boy, do not talk to him. Do not
want the boy.
No, you're talking to the boy because of the money, the dollars. Well,
from before we have dollars, me want him.
you should put up more effort than time there. But me I can't go on my way. Just
So when I say take him from him, take a girl man.
talk to the F, take a girl man, touch me girl. You
girl,
damn baboon.
What going to that? You good?
Yeah, man, how fun.
You can't buy my juice.
I just see me a beg.
I'm thirsty. I thought me a walk from my nose.
Where?
Oh my yard.
That not far.
Mama,
So me a little me walk up for. Me
Alright,
walk
you
at
can buy me the
school
juice?
and. Me the one bag juice.
bag juice. You take one of the US dollars and like it.
You want juice? You want buy a juice? Oh, your sister.
My sister, she alright, you know. I want
You don't see her from she up there?
no.
Where she there?
It don't make sense to go up there. She got a man yard. She and her boyfriend and her boyfriend come for her. You didn't see one red car pass.
Your boyfriend?
Man, not boyfriend. Boyfriend a little boy. Man, big thick man in house. So it don't make sense to go
Me
up
know
there.
that.
So you
She
know
say she
money.
not no man.
She have man, don't make she fool you. So you know money.
You ask me if you buy a juice and me buy a juice. Buy 2 bag juice with that and cool.
Can't buy juice, Toga. So what did you have your sister? Why? You like her?
Yeah, she knows me like her.
Oh, you like her?
Mm-hmm. How things with you though? What you do since you left school? Right?
You left school? Look work and things. So you not have money?
You ask me if me not have money, if me not have money. Where you want money to do?
Nothing up here and the gas store. Mommy not left nothing up there for you.
The mother left nothing up there? And the gas done?
Nah, nothing to eat. Nothing. She and Shanice have something to eat, you know. Can gone with man. I'm coming with Burger King last night. So she had a better one. Me nah nothing.
Come back here and money, she have money. But yeah, you go give mother this to buy gas, right?
So you couldn't give me a time to say buy gas?
So I'm going to get this. And you just buy gas.
What a genuine man you be.
And anything left out of it, you give, let's say give him, but Kishan is a change.
So why she have to get the change? She have money.
No man, let's give she the change over that.
She don't need the
A 15,000
change.
left, you know.
Watch all this. Yeah. My bumper big?
Where do that a while ago?
You don't see the money fair?
You see you?
The
You
money
see?
fair.
Go on, go buy gas.
So my bumper not big.
The two, your sister one bigger than Feisty, but you can go on.
You know what? Later, come.
Where you want me to tell like?
Because you say me bumper not big, me bumper big.
You know got to get.
If I want to Chinese, go look for Chinese and man yard.
Well, me figure out that part.
Okay.
What me say wrong door?
Nothing man, nothing later.
What go and tell her?
There you go.
Not if me invisible again, you don't see me. But you see me again and tap me. So I'm going, alright.
There, me wait for one truck.
Me ear say you TT there.
She with us gone?
Yeah, TT, me ear, TT. What you hear so?
See people can spread rumor.
Mm-hmm.
Me and nobody down in the day.
Oh, you see the Chinese?
Me not in the day either.
It was death when you were younger.
I
used to piss bed.
Me I try.
You still have piss bed now?
No. You cut out them so that how much years now you remember them something there?
Me have to remember them because
Sure.
me ears you come back here, but you don't know different to me. Me ears you come back in here, you're rich and got money, but me not see none of that. You
No
look,
man, me have to stay calm.
you look
I buy one
simple.
bike at that day for us to stay. Just see move
You
on.
buy a
and
bike and a
about-
walk?
Me not have no come walk come down here so I wait for the truck.
Alright,
Me
I
have
say
to
something
put
to you.
them wire here.
I say something to you. It's like when you come back and you have money. Most of the girls them go there run out because they have money. You need to
No, man, you
open
see
your
that
eyes. Open your eyes.
You not have to tell me that.
And stick. Some of them only
Me
want them
know
money.
where I'm going.
Yes, and some of them will chat about this and that and make it seem like they're not a man when they're a man.
Yeah, make it sound like say me a foreigner. I am a born and growing and we just left here when me bought 17 and so.
So you're
I am a
alright,
born and grow.
you're alright.
You alright? How things you do?
Things to me just rough. We just hungry. Can you help me out?
You see?
Help me out, help you that man. Cause you there, me here say you go a charity. Me say you do charity, you help the
But
needy.
you know. You see what I left here so?
Yeah.
You know me there, right?
Yeah.
I cook some food up there.
Let's say me want some food.
You say you're hungry.
So you can buy
I
your
cook
food.
some food so you get some of it.
So you can give me your money.
Me don't really have no money right now for me. Like, what is to that? Me only have missing. Right, yeah. Me go bust up on that money. You see? Let's go this. Bust up on that money.
Thanks, but yeah, but
food.
you have
and
$100 right so you couldn't.
No man, that good with you. That good is.
But you have $100 to give me $100. So you could give me $100.
Satisfied with what you get. You understand?
Yes, you're still a piss a bit wild.
You see, uno Jamaican girl, that's why I nip boy. Move back from the house. Because you're just greedy and ready. The man for a long man.
God says you out here. You can't hit it. You sure go shop for me, baby girl. Please and thanks. What you want for dinner?
So you still have the money there?
Yes. That's why you see me I come in a piece by. If we gonna spend it all off at once, it done. So you want chicken tonight?
Mommy, you better go buy something small. You buy chicken today, what we eat tomorrow?
True. Alright, we're kind of tired of the splashes. Get 2 pounds of chicken foot for me. And some rice and some seasoning.
Alright, Mom.
And a tang. Alright.
Alright, so come.
Well, good. Thank you. I gotta start the fire.
And they come over here and this laptop curtain. Can you tell me, see a curtain? Oh, you gonna away now?
Oh.
What?
That's you then.
What you? What?
You can look for your boyfriend.
Which boyfriend? You know who live over there, sir?
Yeah, man, you look for
A Samantha in Pitney live over there, and in Pitney there, and Pitney girl, I'm man, yeah. I'm father yard. And me go over there, go help Samantha put up the curtain. And yeah, me didn't know, see a curtain, she called me from. Which boyfriend? Find mommy, me a boyfriend? Me don't even like man much this. Nah, no boyfriend. If you come in my life, me don't even know if you want me or not. Cause me I talk on the phone this morning and me tell you say me so clever. When me I call you, you not answer.
Because I'm busy, man.
Where busy I do?
We just come for the hard way up on my yard now go. Cause you know your truck are passing through.
Yeah, listen to the truck. Me not know nobody I buy. Okay, I can't give me.
Oh, so your sister me see and your sister tell me say you have boyfriend, you go and check your man. Cause me see her me after boy.
Titi?
Yes.
Titi tell you say me go and check my man. Titi tell you say me have man.
So you go and check your man.
So if me go to her and ask her about it, she can say yes, she did say that.
Me don't know if she gonna say that, but that's what she tell me. Me very sure she stop me and tell me. I mean I get her 100 years to buy gas. She said gas don't know.
Gas over yard. When I give mommy the money, mommy buy gas. I'll pack mommy buy some new pot. Cause the pot them did black and crusty.
That little girl I see. You know, say me just got avoid her and done.
Well, you must know, but me not know man. Me not got no man.
Maybe them are wait for me up my place. So me see it. Me text her.
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Yes, you little liar, piece and manners. Hey, I don't want that girl up, you know. I shop. Mommy said me don't even bother go shopping. Oh, you so lie, girl.
Approach me better now.
Oh, you so lie. What you mean approach me better? You forgot to have me a bigger one? You might tell about me bigger. Where you get money from? You know where the money they were Tugger gear? When you just say gas done, where money they were Tugger gear?
Onion again.
You mean onion again?
Oh, your man!
Yeah, where money they went gear? When you say gas done?
Woman, me ask you one question. Okay, you know my sister. When you talk about the time for yes and claim to say, oh wow. When you did the funny phone and you see your man did give me the money. Now you ain't give the money.
Listen to me and listen to me good. Tugger say him see up on the road and him ask you where me there and you tell him about oh me gonna look for man. You give me man?
So how you see me, I'm in a see him.
What do you mean in the same?
When me I go to see Tugger girl.
Girl, Tugger say, you see and you say how much me gonna look for my man, so enough to come up here, coming up here, and then him say you say, oh gas done, no gross no up here, instead and comfort. Where money there?
Me?
Yes, Titi, you.
You see the money for me? Me? Tugger tell you that?
You deaf?
Well, I don't care Tugger come confront you. Me not sit Tugger.
You know say I'm very wicked and lie. Oh, wait, mommy, then let me go to mommy. Mommy!
I shall take your man.
Mommy!
What?
Mommy, come here. I don't have time for the pot. Come here, mommy.
What?
Why Titi so lie?
What
Oh,
now?
Titi, if you go to Tugger, you can tell Tugger, say gas done. No gross no up here. The money when you get done as the comfort and how me gonna look for man. Which man me gonna look for?
TT do that.
Mommy, talk on the line, you know. Instead, TT tell him. I mean, even go shop, you know. Not even shop, me no go. Me I walk on him and I buck up on him.
Me no believe. Me no say your sister jealous of you, you know. But make Tugger check properly. Because me no believe.
Why
me
you
know
think?
say she bad mind in a way, but me not really believe say. You're sure him say that?
Mommy,
and your
me not
sister
hear
is
doubles. I mean, no say. I want TT in the lane. And if Tugger gonna lie, me not think Tugger gonna lie about that. He say he look pan and get $100 for buy gas. Gas he say.
Me no cook now.
She tell him say gas done. And your money when him give you done.
I can't. I forgot to check this, cause
Mommy, me not tell me say I want TT, you know. Want TT, yeah?
Alright. Do, follow. Everything, your mind is a bubble down. Do, please, may I beg you. Go shop. Me will talk to your sister.
Mommy.
Something alright.
Alright.
Me will talk to her.
All you talk about this shopping, you know. Want TT. The so come back.
You know, want source of food, you want seasoning in your food. Me will talk to her, man. What is Lord God. TT, come here a minute, please, and thanks. Well, if you did come the first time, we wouldn't have to ball it the second time. May I beg you, please, and thanks. Because she know in the yard and me have to go out. You can rake up the yard for me, please. That's all I need you to do. Do what?
Who for your copy yard?
Who else there? No, you may ask.
So I'm to Shanice.
Shanice, wash up. Shanice, sweep. Shanice, fold up the clothes. Shanice, mop the floor. Shanice, the horse dead and cover. What you do from morning since you wake up?
Spread up your bed.
You never spread up the bed. And
Mommy,
Shanice,
you know
we say spread up the bed.
You're unfair bad. Ever since Shanice have man carrying things and carry things come here. You love sweet for your old age. I bet if she didn't carry nothing come here, you would have tell me to wake up now.
Little
sweet,
girl, you rank and face and lick your head, you know. Come, me will conk in your head, you know, girl. Me will lick in your head, you know. And remind you who you be, you know. Me say, rake up the yard, one little diggy thing me ask if you don't
me say, mommy, me not doing it. I
don't do it. Make me.
One, so.
This is for me yard. This is for me yard. And why are you living under my roof in a me yard? Master ask you for the one time. Come out then. Come out then. Since you can't clean it, since you're not doing it, roll JJ, roll 69 and come out to me yard.
Because you have man carrying things, she know why you do nothing.
This little thing, me and
you know, see me wash the plate. You know, see me clean up your house.
You know, see me spread up your bed and wipe out the bathroom.
Which bed I
you never spread up nothing, you're too light. Me not like your ways, you know.
You're unfair for your age, that's a problem.
You go come out to me yard, you know. You go come out to my place, you know.
Shani,
two dopey conqueror. You can't me a dopey conqueror already.
So who more if you come out, me and
that's not the problem.
You is one attitude, you're a woman. You're a woman too. So, may I beg you please and thanks. No, me not beg you. May I tell you.
Lady, listen.
Lady. Since me a lady, come out to me yard.
If PR man never did I give you things, you would not tell me if you wake up yard. No, you love
mommy,
I'm tired to tell you that.
You can't go look work or something. Since you want to clean up your yard, why you not go look work?
But you not tell Tugger say be a bun your game bun left right and center. What to Ray?
Mama, me a Ray down there.
I
money me that text for Ray.
Ray come pick up you yesterday.
Bad.
So I chew in
Mommy, stay at it. I know
Chubawa. So when Ray give me money, you mean buy food for she in the
So at least she admits Ray give her money and she buy food.
Ray is Uncle Paul.
Ray she man, you can't tell me say you're your uncle in me see Cara go so.
Stop telling lie, little girl. You're too lie. You're too lie.
Listen to me.
You're too lie.
You confirm me. I did not confirm me. I do not. have no man.
Search your phone and you know who name Ray. That if it do.
Shut up your mouth.
You know, seminar listen to you.
Okay.
That is the right thing to talk to.
Last time you go and create mischief.
Don't listen to me.
She's my daughter, but she,
Mommy, me
she
soon come back,
wicked.
yeah?
You? Yes, baby, walk
I'm
good.
a
You have to come out of my yard. How one dopey concrete at this and I know you. Oh,
Ah, yeah, good. Sure.
How do you, girl?
You know what I say? Move over here and tell me to wake up yard.
What's wrong with your cup yard?
I don't know around with ever since Chinese scare man. We are carrying things from here and me she want.
Oh my.
You know like that style. I have to go back to the kitchen to licky.
Alright, so what happened to your hug and I get him?
Yeah, you know if I had them tell you like about just donuts. Give me one. And that no. That done, you know. It's done in a one day. You put my finish your sentence.
And that's why people like me don't give people like you advice. So you don't pay them back
Give
in
me
return.
one advice. You're gonna get quick.
So you get him done tall, no problem. How are you there now?
Me I'll tell you like funny girl. I think the man already gonna go up on the road.
Okay. But tell you how things set now. You see where things set? It look like you're not get the man.
You don't look so.
You're not get the
So
man.
tell me what to do.
Well, I'm think more what me I say. I'm think more what me I say now. Because sometimes I say some things out of that mouth that want to make sense. Yes, the best solution. The only way you're going to get the man is if your sister dead.
So make a kill her.
I am sorry to say, but you're going to have to unalive her. That's the only way you're going to get the man.
So make it alive her.
Yes.
Me nah no problem. Me we think about it. No problem in the solution. And situation.
You see, when I realize it, you know, money quickly change you.
I no money, girl.
Cause your sister where you know from so you don't
think on road and beg.
you don't even think twice. You agree right away, blam. Over one little black boy.
She did think twice when she knows me like the man.
One
No.
pissy tail boy.
He never think twice.
You can't say get my dick in them. Alright, anyways.
I go and think about it.
Alright.
And a live bar.
Girl, me and your friends for a long time and from school days, right?
Yes.
It's when you do it, do the thing professional, do the thing so not come back for you and people go find
No
out.
fingerprint, no chase, nothing. Deadly me deadly.
Right.
Kill a girl.
Right. So if I
And
know,
alive.
so if I know, you can poison, but I think if you poison, the poison ain't going to know, so you call them, go the bar like she nah have no sense and then, yeah, so
Because me
hire somebody,
Analyze.
you understand? Analyze.
Understand. Me
Yeah.
don't think about it. Anyway, girl, link me.
Bye.
Alright.
You don't have much sense.
Like how every time you hear something from my sister, it's like you want to run with it.
No,
Then me
me
don't
nah
like
run
people
with
like
it.
you, know.
I understand how she's saying now. Me not run with what she has.
Sometimes I feel like she bad mind me.
Yeah, but that you know when it's like she want me talk to her, but that not gonna happen because me and you we are come from way far.
So you say. But anyways, me did want to ask her something, you know, but me never want to ask her for everybody here.
What?
You still a piss bad?
So talk him foolish. Me a big man you know. So ask me.
As big as maybe me do it no man then. That's
But
why
you, me not do them something.
But remember say we did do it together, we used to say.
Hello, Tiger. Hello, Shanice.
Hi.
I didn't really know me, no, but me a sister friend. What want to get alright? Top behave like you don't know me, because you know say me and your friend for a long time. From me know you from your piss bed.
Why you have to bring that common road?
Because you behave like you don't know me. Anyways, you know what I say, I come over here to give you advice.
Who you come to get advice?
You.
Me?
Me I try to advise I say you need to go to church because me I tell you, I feel like something bad that go happen to you. So I feel like you forgot church.
Why you think something bad happened to me?
Me don't know it's
What do you mean?
like God has sent a message. You know sometimes God
And God send you with it?
yes.
Then why God did choose you to send with that message there?
Something bad got me to what even it like a two no look like when in my relationship with two me can go to church and preach and watch on the head back. Cause sometimes the people them
don't make joke with God no.
no I true.
Because never yet see you in a church close yet.
But I think me
God
not
give
got
you a message you come
you
get.
don't have to go to church to praise God. That's a full no problem.
But God give give somebody when I got church a message from me?
Yes, me are still a godly child. Cause sometimes the people have only put on head pan pillar without no sleep with, you know. Them a plan for no. So it better the tone of God church.
Well, you try to tell me so talk a plan for me.
Me no know. Sometimes the people
You know what I like with Uno? Uno want to talk something I don't know want to say.
You
Me
know
I
the best
say
thing
it.
you do? You go
God give me a message to for God church.
you go on your way there.
If you don't buy this area, me no name, me get to the next 2 days.
Yeah, which bad for me?
Me now which bad for you, me tell
So
you
you
God
say
church.
it's been a
God
bad.
church, young girl.
Why?
The demon is close.
So tell me
Closer
what
than
the
what you
demon-
think.
what the demon?
I want God tell me to say me I say.
Oh, well, you ain't got to go on with that. I not too want to hear
You
that.
can't say me never want to young
Look,
girl.
little child, look how you dress. Look how you dress, belly skin and something.
Nothing wrong with my dressing.
You
I
need to
beg
have
you
one
do.
breast here.
I help a woman preach. Come here, say something not come for her, you know.
My woman.
Something not come. Alright. You can't say me never want it, you know. You can't say me never want it, you know.
She okay.
Alright.
Walk with grace.
Hallelujah.
But God send you with a
So they
message.
go on and create this.
You know them missionary people, they will walk and talk, but oh God said I must tell you that today is going to be the day that this and that and that and comfort.
But she
Now
refused.
look upon them. Or if mommy cook up there, come here hungry, you know.
I don't know. What me have that little girl in the
Oh God. Mommy, how you do the door?
Me just finish rake.
React.
So Titi the rake yard. Which rake the yard?
So what Titi then now? She inside?
Maybe no. She gone about her business and she might as well stay there because she have to come out to my house. You know.
Oh well, your fault.
Which part of my fault?
Is that you raise her? If you did a raise her and groom her girl, she would have lady me not raking no, yo, lady me not this, lady me not that.
The amount of conch and belt that girl get. If me ever piss, if me ever drop her a box, you see, she'll piss up herself.
Wait, like I say, if you ever piss on her.
She'll piss up herself. If me ever shut her a box, she'll piss up herself.
Anyway.
So I'm trying to raise my hand and my temper. Anyway, you alright, baby?
Me not really sure. But kind of have second thoughts about something. Come here and take it on the road, right? You carry me down the road because sit down with that talk. And this girl, me not really know her, but she know my sister, but me know her, but me not really know her. As in, me see her, but me not really see her. Say, me and take her to go to church. Something bad could happen to me. And me I say something bad happen to me. And then she did that talk about she's a child of God, but she not belly skin or something. So me I wonder if attention she a look or my sister. So now if she say something to trigger me head, because she and my sister a friend, bear in mind.
Huh. I must
So,
say she, your sister,
I
get the bad attitude
wonder
from.
If the two of them talk behind them. What do you mean?
Maybe, you know, because some
Mommy,
funny
please
things.
hear me out. Then I finish talk for her.
Oh, no. She know if I say please, no. Let me listen to this.
Mommy
Good
and
evening.
sister, I am so sorry for how I acted in the past and how I can tell life on you. Call me the jealous.
See, admit the facts here, they
Yes.
tell him right.
Huh,
So
hey,
they know.
Jesus really come.
But I am truly sorry for telling lie and Mommy, me sorry for saying me in a recky yard.
So you can't go rake it now?
Yes, I have no problem, but me finish. I will never do such thing again, and as of today, sister, I will try my best and stop give a problem and talking.
Belly
And
full.
mommy, may we do anything else me fi do.
But you want ears and continue that. Anyways, mommy, it's like how you're a good girl. The bathroom want clean, want to play with
What
it.
else me do, mommy?
Break up the yard,
And then what else?
go in your bed.
Okay.
As me as the mommy, me kind of afraid. But me not, I want to tell mommy.
Me no cut you. The little girl come talk to you about God. I know you the shall one. God work in mysterious ways. You know, see what just happened? Hey, I must say your turn to lick your head. You know, see the Jezebel come and apologize and turn new lead. Maybe that's what the young girl was coming to warn you
Look how much
about.
time I fake apologize and nothing never change.
No, that
Me
one
I give
that
her till
one
a morning.
fake. Me what
Me I
chance?
give her till a morning.
Me what
Anyways,
chance?
I go hold her bed before she done clean the bath. Before she start clean the bath.
Yes, and nobody say nothing wrong and change the mood. Yeah, keep
Yes,
her in
ma'am.
that the mood.
Yeah.
All right.
How much you have your hand on your jaw now? So say you're pregnant?
Me not even not pregnant. I think they get one word or something.
From the day I born, every day you go look work. You don't get none yet?
What's up with you? I'm also there. I think about how me used to go on. How me used to deal with you and things.
Deal with me, you never stayed me now.
I just want to say sorry again. I mean everything when I say yesterday. I'm a changed person now.
I never see a person change overnight, I just see everyone, but...
You don't see the one you do.
Oh, so... How are you going to look what now?
Down in that town, you know.
How much do you know you're going to town and look
No, I'm not
around?
going to that town.
How are you going to go?
Man, me did that look me in the pool.
Oh my. So you think you really are going to look what now? You don't think a man is going to look same way?
No,
Look how you just going to look for.
I work.
Just like that?
Sister,
Your ear don't even properly groom.
to show so if you
Alright.
say we go looking for
Alright.
homeless.
Yeah, we are.
Good, me
You
love
alright,
that.
mommy?
Yeah, man, me good. You?
Yeah, I'm just want to go for work.
Okay. What kind of work you looking so?
Any little store work, restaurant work, or something.
Mommy. Yeah, mommy.
What?
Nothing.
So, why, mommy? I
Uh-huh.
just want to say I'm sorry again and everything. I tell sister I'm sorry again and thing. So I'm gonna look for work. I'm gonna go on the road and see if I get no work and carry.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, go on. Walk safe. Walk with
Alright,
grace.
walk good.
Alright.
And thank you for the apology.
Mommy, TT can fool, but TT is not going to fool me. About 3 months now, TT has said social work here. You ever see nobody changing in one night? You ever see nobody changing in one night?
Everybody deserves a second chance.
You know, say-
But you hold on now. Everybody deserves a second chance. Me not say me let down all of my guards. But you see when somebody try to make a change, you allow them. But you still use your eyes or you still use your senses. Me not say my guards completely drop.
Oh, well.
But what if she change?
She gonna look work? Me I go look for my man.
Alright. How to work that. Alright, walk good. At least she wake up pretty presentable now. What?
I'm going there, good.
Yeah, man, we're good. I give thanks.
Yeah, man, I'm Chinese today.
No, she just miss her, you know. She gone on the road.
Alright.
But like how you there, me, I want to talk to you a little bit. How your mother?
Sure, I don't.
Good. Big her up for me when you next see her. When you next see to Sarah, big her up for me. But there's a question I wanted to ask you.
Alright.
Mr. Say you and Shanice can get back on a relationship and on a friendship and things. What is your intention towards my daughter?
I'm married her. I'm to do.
Whoa, you're really going to marry her? You really think that far ahead?
Yeah, the one. I'm gonna marry her. But that's my intention.
Wow, she know this?
Remember, say if I go back to the state, but I want to engage her before I
What?
go back.
Woo-hee! Alright. That me love. That me love.
Yeah.
I always did love you, you know. You was a good boy. Yeah, you have my blessing.
So, I just want to do a little surprise thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
But not tell her, so me tell her no.
No. Oh, God. The only thing I beg we want, if me not dead, video it. Come and want to see her face.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God. Me proud of
All
you.
of that I go do, man.
Me proud
So
of
you say
you.
she gone on the road?
Yes, she gonna shop. You might catch her on the lane or by bamboo.
Alright then.
Alright, my son-in-law.
Alright.
Wedding bells, jingle bells. Woo!
man, Toga.
Go on.
Say hello to me. So what's right?
Listen, me just want to stay far from you because if you're more trouble and set like me, yeah? Your mouth is at your hurting.
Jesus.
Oh,
You can help me?
you know.
Feel like the period.
Say no go over.
Yeah, they're too far, Toga. Yeah,
Oh.
come the Toga.
What you want?
More go over here, go change.
Change what?
Put that sitting. Yeah, now sit myself on the road. People come. What Jesus?
Well, me see me can't let no one.
Come.
Where you see one? You see me can find.
Bed feel comfortable, do.
And your sister all short and so.
Me no want nothing.
Cheater.
Oh, so when you wake up a man, you can put on it?
I mean,
Yes.
what, give me this. What do you mean wake up a morning?
I want.
You don't want the 7 to change on
Yes, you know, under me, I'm lying down, comfortable. Oh God.
girl, that's the reason why me didn't want to stay for
Me did
I
one.
come over me yard, girl.
I'm a day already. Sure. You said, you know, I'm going to let them do it. Just have a
Girl.
Why you touch me for? Why you touch me?
God, it is God,
Toga,
girl.
what did you do over here, Toga?
Me see her on the road and she
You know, say, you know what? Me no want ear. Me no want ear. You see, man, like Unu, I should have never,
Yeah,
ever.
me
Me no want ear. You deaf, I don't understand that. You see, you, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. You see, if I'm me, I want. If I'm a sister, I'm a sister. You're not going to pay no mind here with me right now. For you, move, man.
Girl, oh you say come out of me. Come out. Yeah, see if you don't want me get mad. Come out of my place.
Call me.
1
772.
Yo, wait. Look.
I don't know, people can't tell lies, so. Little simple things can't tell lies. Yo, me, how me look like, man?
See what me talk.
Why me feel it so what they say? Me can't see with me one eye, yeah. Even the girl that say, tap touch me now.
I know me not touch her.
Oh, wow.
Listen to me, I explain to my you listen to one side of the story.
It
Me
hurt.
I walk on the road, right? She see me, she start go so. I roll her belly. Then me say, warm tea. She say, her period a come or whatever. So me say, what happened? She say, come over here for me go to tea or whatever. You let me a shot.
So me ask her something.
So me remember say I have shots
Oh,
over there. So me carry her
look
to go
on
put her.
here. We are there.
She said she couldn't manage
I
to
don't
go
want
so
you
far.
nothing what you have to say. I don't.
Yeah, make it like say me wrong. Only thing we do, you know, I make she come over there and
So we are carrying yard for?
because she said she wants the chain.
So if one
I'm
from
just
other
a
woman,
helper.
if one other woman say, oh baby, me want a change, can you bring me home? You bring them home. I say, man, like, uno something turn up to anything. Move from here. Oh God. Yeah, go on.
What good?
Just that girl, I go me a walk, I come from up the road. I see Toga and your sister up there pound one piece of
Yes,
pork.
girl, me say. Me try one different stunt to backside.
Can I
And it
stop
don't
that?
work.
Can I come?
Me tell, me see man pan the road, me tell the man say, my period come. So bad.
Your period come?
No, bad pain, I rub down my belly and tell him to carry me guy here. Him like he there, me then lie down and then me want to see mama bust door. Okay, so I choose that. So me get up and say, don't touch me, Toga. And him and mama blaze
In that touch you?
No, let me that tell you. Just get the man. And we not even get to do nothing.
You don't plan to do things today?
Yeah, girl.
And I know your man, you want to do things today, you don't think
People, man. Me say, mama, me see he blaze off a woman gone.
Well,
Me don't know what to do.
me tell you if you do already analyze her.
You know, I go think back about it in my life.
Me tell a long time, the best thing to do is analyze her and get rid of her.
Me gotta think back about it in my life. I'm going to take
Yes.
Alright, Mama.
But next time I go to the man, you can me doing
never
myself that
expect
ain't the work.
Me never expect she
Even if she didn't come or not that now work, the best thing to do is get rid of her.
We go and think about it.
Think about the caring in a sense.
Alright.
Oh God, thank you, Lord, for the little bit.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you see me tell us that Titi don't have change.
What you talk about?
You know when me go find Titi.
Over Tugger yard.
And then she talk about, stop touch me. And then when me left the yard, him run me down about to tell him say our period did not come. And then when she reach our period, she bother come and ask for them come fat. You see me tell us that she not changing.
No, man, because if it was just words alone, we would have go with it, Shanice. But you know, see how they are clean and she had do everything she says she wants to do.
I mean, you see,
And she normally
I
just
do
come
not
with
want
words.
to be disrespectful, but you're a damn idiot. You're very blind. You're very blind. I mean, I say not much, no, I just got to say. Who can hear, go feel. And if Titi continue to test me and upset me that way, I'm going to beat her.
God, no longer cool down, man. Your head too hot. Sure. Thank you, God, for the little bit of rain.
Evening, Mommy.
Evening.
What, Mommy?
What me here with you and Tugger? And Shanice. What happened to them?
My friend tell her come on Friday and Chinese. I couldn't do it and I cause
So you never really see Shanice?
No,
You never talk to Shanice?
no, she did mad and upset. Okay, so if you lower and find out what when we come over.
So how you do with the job hunting?
Mommy, look at me get one job.
Mm?
The man said, "You give me number, say no call your phone."
Okay, doing what?
Yeah, manager position, no working.
Okay, alright, well you must tired. Go ahead, but stay away from Shanice. She's in one of her tempers. Keep her from her.
Alright, Mommy.
Congratulations. We look for the car. I have the phone in my pocket.
Sister, me no want to talk to you, but me want to talk to you.
Then if you know me not want to talk to you, why you coming here, Titi?
Because me want to talk to you and tell you the truth.
I'm really
You deserve to know the
interested to
truth.
hear
You see,
it.
after me tell you, so now talk to me. Fine. But let me tell you the truth. You see, me tell a lie. Me tell you, say me feel like my period they come. And the name come. Me tell you, say me feel like the period did I come and the name come.
Just figure out.
Yes.
Titi, I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. I don't even want to
But you
see
can't make me say
I
sorry,
don't want
sister.
to see you in my lifetime.
Why me don't know why me even do this.
Lord God, more shouting again. We can't take it. What do you? What happened?
Mommy, nothing not really happened. But sometimes, you ever wonder if Titi him sick in her head? You ever wonder if she need to go to the Bellevue? And I'm sick and I'm tired of this family. I'm planning on just move on. I'm just frustrated right now. And that's how it is.
How?
Titi won't leave Tara alone, so she just talk about John Lash, she not tell us to come back. Me not tell me explain myself over again. Ask her, she explain herself to you. It hurt.
What lie? TT! TT, come here quick. Your head hot me, my head hot me. What really are going? Because me here, lie me here, tug me here. What going?
I go to sister, try to talk to her and tell her the truth. She walk out, she not hear nothing from me. So let me tell you then, me tell you a lie. Me see the man from the road, me tell the man say my period did come. And no period never did come because I'm just the one guy man here. But as me reach at the yard, we not do nothing. Me just sit down on the bed. Then me see sister bust the door and come in, and then the man start cuss. Then me come out. Simple. Okay? Me tell her sorry.
Tugger yard?
Yes, Tugger yard. I mean, I want him, man. Me no want him.
So we are going
So,
to Tugger pad?
We gonna have to spite you. Because you get enough money, I mean, I get no.
Jesus, I want to raise.
But me tell her
What make you
sorry.
hate your sister so much?
If me did hate her, I would have still do it. Me not hate her yet. Me
But
not
it's
hate
only
her.
because she come in, you never do it. It's only
No,
because she
never
come here and
did,
never
no.
do it.
Me know that she that come that side, me go.
How are you so vindictive, little girl? And what she really do you? Look how much man
get the
there
man
on the
before me.
street.
To get the man before me.
And from you, Lily bitch, you never like Tugger. I'm too dirty for you and too raggy for you.
If you
Why
how
was
they work?
nobody change the subject? What you do is wrong.
Mommy, me I can go on the road, right? So me apologize to her.
Go on, cause
Now I see why she not
everybody
accept
knows
your
that
apology.
over Tugger
Oh
yard
God.
is going, boy, you going
Over
down
to
the
my
road.
yard. If me walking on the road, me go over there. But put me later.
You're not sorry. You not.
It makes no sense to waste your
We don't understand where she come from. But where's real chalk and cheese?
Yeah, I think so.
Shanice, me sorry, my girl. Because you did a try tell me to. And me did a try to see the best in everything. So, Lord God, what happened now? See, you and Tugger God? You and Tugger mash
I
up?
don't really know. I'm not really business right now. I'm not really business about that. Me I come going to lie down. What you do?
You're not going on the road too. You're not going to try to talk to him.
Mommy, I did nothing wrong. I'm not running
No,
down
me not
no
say you did nothing wrong.
I am
But
going in and lie down and free my mind. My head hurt me. My head really hurt me.
alright, baby. I'm sorry I got through this year. May I go up on the road?
Alright, man.
Why?
Be careful. Me not there. You're wait for you. Alright.
Wow, Tugger, what going on?
Hello.
What problem?
You know, you're like a silly games again. You understand? You see where you put me in there last time?
Let me put you now.
You come like you dig a hole and bury me in it.
Just say you should have asked me.
Don't come here.
So what you ask me, Papa?
Stay over there. Sir. I can't step in front, sit down on a public bench, but stay over there.
So what going? Alright?
No go on.
Alright?
No good, no.
So you move so? Still going to Shanice, do
Listen me. Me in love with her, and me go forever love her.
So she above me.
She's just
She
short
better me?
and nice. She have a little bumper on her
So me
back.
not bumper too.
Her dark chocolate skin, it just.
Jesus Christ. So
She
me not
have
bumper too.
everything with me want. Where you say?
Me not bumper too.
Where?
Bumper.
You get bumper not bumping. You know bump.
A styling thing.
That
So
you
all
think
if
you have,
Shanice
but you
there
don't have
with
it.
3-4 different men, they still there with her.
Listen me. I not there with nobody else until, God forbid, until she dead.
Until she dead?
Those part.
So when she said before dead somebody else?
Yes. Until me go in my grave or she go to your grave.
So you
That's
still not give me the
at the
chance?
time when we separate. But otherwise, Dick, Tom, Harry could have got it. Me still did it. Because I love her.
So if you have 10 man, I make 11.
That don't matter me. Now me I make it
What she
11.
real above me? Me not understand. Just look at bumper fool you.
Me love
And
her.
it's
Listen me.
dark chocolate a fool you.
All I need to do,
The chocolate there is not chocolate in it. Still it a melt.
well, it melt from me. Make
The
it
milk
melt
pan 10 different
from
man
me.
and you make 11. Boy,
Well, me could have make 12, 13, 14, 15. I do business.
so you not give me back one chance?
So, me they give you a chance?
Yeah.
Me they give you a chance?
So see I threw me top tail like this. I would have
Go on.
You see
Come,
woman?
done.
Woman?
Go on. Go on,
Go on,
there.
there. Go on.
I'm
See
okay,
the
go
things
away.
that happen to you. Go on. You.
Girl,
Go on, girl.
you there, you good? You're good.
No, I'm not okay.
What happened?
You don't know, so I see man down this and not too long ago.
What happened?
I'm not trying to flirt with the man. The man shoot me up and tell me about say he don't want me. Only somebody want I just Shanice and he not change woman until she dead.
You see? Me did tell you, if you get rid of her,
And that me go
your
do.
sister a black your part. Your sister block your friend get money.
She a black traffic.
Everything. You see over your life? Your sister block your friend get it over your life.
Exactly.
So, if you get rid of her.
I think boss.
Me see you the day before yesterday. You say you think about something. Yesterday me see you think about something. Today me see you think about something. You take us a long to think about unlike somebody?
It is getting done. Call me at talk to her. She want to talk to me.
Me have a plan.
Tell me.
You're going to do it today. You're going to friend her up. You're going to friend her up and bring her somewhere. If you don't want to do it today, you can't do it tomorrow, but I'll give you something for your use.
Me do it today.
I'll give you something for your use. So follow me, have one gun. Go. Somebody then got things gonna raya we are talk about.
Are you alone? Have you gonna raya? Come.
No, are you girl? No, you Maggie.
Come, go on. Are you having do? Where them? Nobody now.
Listen to what I say. If you get catch, you don't know me. But I take out there and show you how to use the board. Me no want, if I get catch, my fingerprint the panic, and me no want my fingerprint panic, and me no want to get catch with you.
Alright.
I'm dangerous. So, holy bag I look in there. Holy bag I look in there. Which me just all gloves wipe up me and 5 bags.
Oh.
You see it? Remember, when I use it, and if you don't get catch, bring it back. Remember, it's if I use my property and you do not get catch, bring it back. But if you get catch,
so
do not bring back.
Done with it?
Yeah, idiot. Take a little time and bring it back. Can't give me. Eh? Yeah, girl, something I feel in there. So remember, please, me I beg you. Do not get catch. If you get catch, you do not know. Me don't even know. Me don't even name Kayla.
Okay, Miss Kayla.
You hear how much time me I tell you, like a girl? Plenty in an ear, cause sometimes someone don't want to take up them the type of life you can't manage, you know. If you get catch, don't call me name, you know.
Alright.
Oh. Come on, look at me hard. Later. Hello. In this way you're going to go right, so they're going to the room. I'm going to take the gun from home, yeah.
About 7. Take it off 7.
Alright, 1. Move on me, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Where you run from? Oh, this time of night?
Yeah, me and I will go up on the beach.
Oh, the thing say you're at home. Yes.
Mommy, let me tell you something. I go up on the road. I go up on the road. I don't go back in the yard.
Oh.
You just go back in the yard and I see you.
Oh, you see Shanice from this?
Chinese.
Yeah, Shanice talk.
No, I'm not going
Boy, alright.
Come on, home. You can't cook.
No, I said I couldn't take the heat, man.
Come here now, come here.
I don't cook her. Shanice, how are that?
Come to she.
Shanice, hello, what up? A blood. Jesus! Shanice!